guys, welcome back to Learn with Hamna. In today's Photoshop tutorial, we're going to learn to use the Rectangular Marquee Tool here in Photoshop. If I right click on this option, there you can see that there is a rectangular, elliptical, singular row and singular column options. So let's start by using the rectangular option. Here I'm making a one rectangular shape. If you click and hold your click and press shift on your keyboard, then there is going to be a perfect square shape. So let's make a square shape. Now let's fill in the color of this selection. Now, as you can see that there are these running lines that show the selection. We can simply remove the selection by re-clicking on it. Or you can also do is press Ctrl D on your keyboard. So as you can see, the selection options are gone. Now if I click on the move tool and try to move this, it will not move. You know why? As here also it's saying that the currently selected layer is a background layer. You cannot move the background layer. Photoshop is a layer based software, so you cannot move anything, any object that is placed on the background layer. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove this selection, and here I'm going to come in my layers option and create a new layer. So now I have my layer 1. I will just repeat the same process of creating a new object here, but this time I'm creating it in my first layer, not in the background layer. Again, I have this object. Now I'm going to select the move tool and I can easily move this object anywhere I want in my artboard. Now I want to know how I can increase or decrease the size of this rectangle. So there are two simple ways of doing it. First, you can see here in your top bar that you can click on this show transform controls. If you just check on this little box, you can see that there are now corners that allow you to increase or decrease the size of your object simply. You can also do that by, if I just uncheck this option again, now the option to do it has been removed, but I can do it by right clicking. If I go on the rectangular marquee tool and I just right click, I have an option of free transform. Again, with the free transform, I can increase and decrease the size of my object easily. I hope this video was helpful. If you like it, then subscribe my channel and do not forget to hit the bell icon for more related tips. Thank you.